Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Uchat, a tool that just arrived on AppSumo, and it claims to automate your sales process with a visual chatbot builder. It's pretty easy to build a chatbot with Uchat. They have a lot of templates and I'm gonna show you. It's an alternative source to ManyChat, Chatflow, and ChatRaise. Uchat is a no-code chat builder that automates your business with Google AI, e-commerce functionality, and app integrations. There are multi-channels, so you can create a bot for Telegram, Google, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, etc. So you're gonna get per code different number of bots. You get all their business plan updates, and if you get the tier 1, you got 1 bot. The tier 2, 2 bot. The tier 3, 4 bots. And up to tier 5, where you get 10 bots, white labeling, and custom domain. So if you want to get those two main features here, white labeling and custom domain, you should buy at least the tier number 5. It's the only one that offers those features. You need to check it out also that there are limitation of the number of bot users per tier. So the tier 1 only 2,000, then 5,000, up to 30 bot users per bot. Those are the limitations per bot. If you have 10 bots, each one can have 30 bot users. So let's take a look at Uchat right now. Here you can see the dashboard and everything happens here on the left. You can also see here your settings. They have API and some basic documentations. You can see the number of bots here. You have like on the dashboard, really small analytics. There's a place only for analytics here, but you can have the whole pictures when you are in your account. And as you can see here on the left, you can create many different types of bots, but some of them you need some integration. The others, no. So you can create bot for Facebook. They are multi-channel. So Instagram, Telegram, Slack, WeChat, WhatsApp, SMS, etc. So there's a lot of features here. Let's take a look on the integrations. So some bots, for instance, if you want to create an SMS on WhatsApp, you need an integration. It's the case of the WhatsApp bot that many of us love it. You need a Twilio integrations, a 360 dialogue integration, WA team integration to have that bot. And here you can see that, for instance, for WooCommerce, you can set up Stripe or PayPal. So we have here Stripe, PayPal, Cloudinary, Shopify, Facebook Business, Calendly, Dialogflow, Google Chat, etc. Those are the integrations. You can see here Integrately, and also I think Publi is here. No Publi, but Integrately. No, Publi is here. Integrately as well. Zapier, Integromat, MailChimp, SenseGrid. They have many integrations. Here on the workshop settings, you can change the logo, the name, time zone. You can add members, new members on your workspace, and you can set limits of bots per channel. Here on the e-commerce is where you can add products, and adding a product you can sell using your bots. So creating an workflow to sell products using your bots. So you can add email, title, description, the price, check it as available or not available, etc. They have a template store where you can see you can create a new bot using the template. So it will be pretty easy. They have many use cases here, for instance, post-sale support, Telegram beginner template. And if you click here on show more, you're gonna see that they have a description where they say why you should use a bot like that, why you're gonna use that template to send message, to send card, to delay typing, to ask email. So those kind of features is fit that kind of bot. There are a total of 35 templates. So here's a simple e-commerce template. For instance, let's check it here. So connect Stripe account, add products in e-commerce, finish the settings in e-commerce. There's a guideline. So You saw the tab with the e-commerce. So connect your Stripe, your integration to sell, and then add your product, and then you set up that kind of bot, for instance, to sell on Viper. But you have e-commerce here as well for Instagram, for Telegram, etc. Let's check out the builder. For the sake of, that review, let's see the Facebook page. The builder are mostly the same to all the channels, but you're gonna connect the channel differently, of course. You need to connect to Slack, here Instagram bot, here you need to integrate first Twilio or one of the others integrations. Here is easily, we need only to collect our Facebook page. So here I connected my Facebook page, and you can see here that I can create an Instagram bot or a Facebook bot. For the sake of that review, let's create a Facebook bot. You can start from a blank template, or you can use one of those templates. Okay, let's start with blank template. You give your bot name and a description if you want. So Uchat will start the flow and where you can start to create your bot. Here you can see on the left that you have an analytics per bot, also a live chat for that bot. You can see your bot users here. You can check automations, and you have also the broadcast feature where you can send promotional message to your users. And here on the flow to start creating the bot is pretty simple. You can zoom in or zoom out, okay? And here is the start. Clicking here, you're going to continue to the next step. So you need to select which kind of step that you want. So after your user started the bot, what you're gonna do. So let's say you want to send a message. Then you click here and the tool will automatically create the message button. You can see here that you have many features, customer feedback, e-commerce, one-time notifications. Let's create a simple text. So, hello, we are testing a new bot here. How are you doing? Then you can add a button. Pretty simple. I'm good. So hello, your bot is set like that. Hello, we are testing a new bot here. How are you doing? I'm good. Then you click here, and when this button is pressed, you're gonna select you go to the next step. Let's say now you want to ask a question. You selected here to ask a question after the text bot. So let's say now you're gonna ask them their email. Can I have your email? I'm gonna select the response here, email. Then you can select the next step. You can also select what's gonna happen if there's no match or no input. But I'm only showing up how the builder works. And then let's say now you want to say a goodbye. You're gonna send another message here. Let's add an image. You can use their GIFs library. Look how it's easy. Let's say a thank you GIF. So thank you to give me your email. And then you are good. And it's the end of the bot. You click here to publish the bot. As you can see, of course, creating a more complex bot takes much more work. But in, a minute, we create a bot to get emails from your users, your leads. It's pretty easy to create a bot with Uchat. I think if you have that use case, if you need a bot for WhatsApp, for other channels, this one is a pre-established builder. They don't have many bots per account, so the limits are not so huge, but still it's an established tool with many good features, and that is Uchat. If you like that review, please click on the link in the description to help me to keep going. Thank you so much. Bye bye.